Nakyabwe ekya Rotary mu ggwanga.
Do you have your family members here? Yes. Or daughters to upscale in terms of style, and they say, I want you to join a Rotaract club so you can be challenged to maybe dress better, to maybe interact better, to be confident better. These are the things that should help us. And because of that, I would like to request you that we get to protect the brand of Rotaract. Get to protect the brand of Rotaract. It's gone down. Thank you, Marion. The Rotaract that you guys form, I can tell you that branding has gone down. As DRI, I've engaged corporate companies to come and sponsor different Rotaract events, but I keep getting issues. It's just all about fun. And what we have publicized about Rotaract is strictly fun, which is wrong. The problem is, you people don't want to give public relations to the important, impactful work you're doing in communities. You want to give public relations to your nightlife. 192nd Rotaractor of our district.